Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asif Umar. Our today's activity is screaming balloon, and we are going to learn about the science of motion and sound. For this, required things are balloons, penny, and hex nut. First of all, put the penny inside the balloon, inflate the balloon, and then tie a knot. Already done by me. Now quickly spin the balloon to get the penny moving. The penny continues spinning. This is centripetal force in action. Newton's first law of motion. A body in motion stay in motion until a force acts upon it. The penny eventually will stop because of the pull of gravity and friction. Now I am going to put hex nut inside the balloon. Inflate the balloon. And tie a knot. Now quickly spin the balloon to get the hex nut moving. Now let's check what will happen. Sound is produced. Now 4 hex nut in one balloon. Now let's check what will happen. The sound is increased. Screaming sound is produced by the side of the hex nut vibrating against the inside wall of the balloon. I hope you like this activity.